taimakowa ya ankara na ce da birni da ƙauyuka a anja kulki da sanduna mu manta wasu 'yan zantuttuka da ke ta kaiwa da kawuka.
Ganin irin yadda cin hanci da rashawa ya kanta game da katutu a zukatan al'ummarmu, hakan ya sanya har wasu daga cikin al'umma ba sa ganin illar abu, sai ka ga har kwarzantawa game da bambadanci al'umma suke yi wa masu satar kuɗin gwamnati. Shin ya za a yi kishin ƙasa ya samu wajen zama a zukatanmu? Ba don komai ba sai don mu ceto ƙasarmu Najeriya. Babu abin da ke zuwa zuciyata sai irin
I'm tasking the Honorable Minister of Finance and the Governor of Central Bank to ensure this funding instructions immediately commences.
President Muhammadu Buhari described as pleasing the progress made by the Nigerian entertainment industry despite the challenges being encountered.
I am informed that your output reaches up to 70 million people across many countries within and outside Africa. Such outreach means you have a moral and professional obligation to ensure that your storytelling is not only entertaining but also addresses serious matters affecting societies today.
The president is, however, worried that some unpatriotic Nigerians are using various media platforms to propagate negative and divisive messages. Such mischievous acts, he said, have led to lives being destroyed, homes broken, and communities divided. President Buhari therefore challenged entertainers, regulators, and censorship boards to do the right thing by insisting on observing cultural norms and protecting national interests.
I am glad to learn that you refer to yourselves as entertainers and educators. This means you are very much aware of your responsibilities to propagate positive messages to your audience. Let me conclude by assuring you that this administration is fully committed to supporting all sectors that will create jobs for our citizens while positively impacting our communities.
The president directed that in addition to agriculture, Nigeria should also explore potential partnership opportunities with the Moroccan entertainment industry, also recognized as a shining example of Africa's entertainment capability. Mopan President Abdullahi Makano Usman, who appreciated President Muhammadu Buhari's genuine commitment to sustainable growth of the country, called for his intervention towards enhancing the entertainment industry.
Piracy of our intellectual work has remained one of the negative drags to our rapid development. We humbly appeal to Mr. President for government to come down heavily on offenders as part of the fight against corruption for the industry to grow. Mopan, representing the entire northern Nigeria, is requesting Mr. President to consider it necessary for an emergency counterpart funding of Mopan to enable us commence urgent production of short films and documentaries to showcase the laudable achievements of your administration in several sectors.
Members of the association were drawn from the 19 northern states and the FCT. From the State House, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.